Welcome to the latest video of MCQs based on current affairs. This video contains 10 questions and you will get 20 seconds for each question. So here is your first question. Who was recently awarded the commemorative World War II medal by Russia? Option A, Narendra Modi. Option B, Kim Jong-un. Option C, Shinzo Abe. And option D, Moon Jae-in. Correct answer of this question is option B, Kim Jong-un. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un was awarded the commemorative World War II medal by Russian President Vladimir Putin. Kim Jong-un was honored with the medal for preserving the memories of Soviet Union soldiers who died in North Korean territory during the war. Next question. The 2021 Commonwealth Youth Games have been postponed to which year? Option A, 2022. Option B, 2023. Option C, 2024. Option D, 2025. And correct answer for this question is option B, 2023. The 2021 Commonwealth Youth Games have been postponed to 2023 due to clash of dates with the Tokyo Olympics. The Tokyo Olympics, which were earlier scheduled to be held from July 23 to August 8, 2020, have been postponed to July-August 2021 due to COVID-19 outbreak. Next question is, which among the following cities witnessed a horrific toxic gas tragedy on May 7, 2020? Option A, Patna. Option B, Visakhapatnam. Option C, Jamshedpur. And option D, Bhubaneswar. And correct answer for this question is option B, Visakhapatnam. The LG Polymers plant located in Visakhapatnam witnessed a horrific gas tragedy early morning on May 7, 2020. Toxic styrene gas leaked from one of the unit's chambers around 3 am. The toxic fumes spread in nearby villages, which resulted in many people falling unconscious on the road after they rushed out their homes in panic. Next question. Former J&K Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti's PSA detention has been extended for how many months? First option 3 months, second option 2 months, third option 6 months, last option is 4 months. Correct answer for this question is option A, 3 months. Former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti's preventive detention under Public Safety Act was extended for another 3 months before it was due to expire on May 5, 2020. The detention of two other leaders, Ali Muhammad Sagar and Sartaj Madani, has also been extended for 3 months. Next question is, Indian American Ashok Michael Pinto has been nominated as the US representative to which among the following institutions? Option A, IBRD, option B, IDAI, option C, WHO, and option D is UN. And correct answer for this question is option A, IBRD. Indian American Ashok Michael Pinto has been nominated as the US representative to the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IBRD. Pinto has been nominated as the US alternate executive director of IBRD for 2 years. Next question. Karnataka has announced new relief package for flower growers, weavers, barbers, auto and taxi drivers. How much amount has been allocated for the package? Option A, 1700 crore. Option B, 1610 crore. Option C, 1590 crore. And option D, 1340 crore. Correct answer for this question is option B, rupees 1610 crore. The Karnataka government has announced a new relief package worth rupees 1610 crore for all those in distress due to the national lockdown, such as farmers, flower growers, construction workers, weavers, auto and taxi drivers. Next question is, the central trade unions have sought how much monthly cash support from the center for needy households? Option A, rupees 5,000. Option B, rupees 3,000. Option C, rupees 6,000. And option D is rupees 7,500. And correct answer for this question is option D, rupees 7,500. The central trade unions have urged the government to transfer rupees 7,500 per month to all the needy non-income tax paying households for period of at least 3 months. Next question is, what is the name of Iran's new currency? What is the name of Iran's new currency? Option A, Roman. Option B, Sian. Option C, Tuman. Option D, Bron. And correct answer for this question is, Iran's new currency is option C, Tuman. The Iranian lawmakers voted on May 4, 2020 to change the Iran's national currency from Rial to Tuman. The lawmakers approved an amendment to Iran's Monetary and Banking Act of Iran to make the change. Iran's existing currency will continue to remain valid alongside Tuman for 2 years, during which the old coins and bills will be gradually collected to replace them with the new ones. Next question. According to the Global Report on Food Crisis 2020, how many people are living under food crisis currently? Option A, 111 million. Option B, 123 million. Option C, 135 million. And option D, 142 millions. Correct answer for this question is option C, 135 million. Over 135 million people are living under food crisis, as the Global Report on Food Crisis 2020 that was released in April 2020 by the Global Network Against Food Crisis. Last question is, which country will launch its first Arctica M satellite to monitor the Arctic climate by the end of 2020? Option A, US. Option B, Japan. Option C, Russia. And option D, China. And correct answer for this question is option C, Russia. Russia will be launching its first Arctica M satellite to monitor the Arctic climate and environment later this year. The first Arctica M spacecraft has been developed and is currently undergoing radio electronic testing. The satellite is planned for launch towards the end of 2020. So this is all about today's video. Thank you. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा तो प्लीज लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय वीडियो.